Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorial number 27 for HTML and CSS. And in this video we're going to see how to use classes. And the classes is they're going to allow us to give the same type of styling to several elements. So for example, well, here I'm using the previous example, from the tutorial number 26. And if you remember, we had these three divisions, which are for I'm stating here my favorite RPG games, my favorite action and adventure game, my favorite racing games. So what we did in the previous was just to assign an ID. For example, here it just said ID equals RPG, then ID equals AA, ID equals RG. The idea of the ID, if you remember, was to be unique or given a unique identifier to this particular element. In this case is the division. And the class, we can use it with, again, like the ID, with pretty much any element that can accept some kind of styling through CSS. So here what I did was just basically change the ID tag for the ID attribute for the class attribute. So just put the word class equals, and then again between quotes just put the name, whatever name you want to give to your class. And here what I did, I just copy these three ones and repeat it here below. So now I have two classes or two divisions that belong to the same class, to the class RPG, two divisions that belongs to the class AA, and two divisions that belongs to the class RG. So how this looks, let's launch this in Chrome. It's just like that. It's plain and simple. So now let's go to the CSS, and here if you can see, I actually still have the previous one, but if you remember using this hashtag or pound sign, it refers to the ID tags. So in this case it's doing nothing because I removed the IDs and replaced it for classes. So here I have, let's just remove the comments, how to give the style to a class. Just put the dot right here and then the name of the class. In this case is .rpg, .aya, and .ca. No, sorry, this is a different name. RPG, AA, and RG. Yeah. These are for the tutorial in Spanish, sorry. So it's for racing games, okay. RPG stays the same, okay. So these are the three classes, and we're gonna use the same styling than in the previous tutorial. So let's save this. And how this looks, let's go back and reload the page. And there it is. So I have my two of the RPG class that goes to red, two for the AA class that turns green, and two for the racing games class, and they turn blue. And so, well, that's pretty much it. Now, one more thing that actually seems to be the actual correct way to do it is you put the name of the element before. So in this case is the div.rpg, and then the div.aa, and then the div.rg. Let's save that, reload, and you get the same result. So I guess you can do it both ways. What I saw on the W3 Schools page is that they referred like in this kind of syntaxes, but well, as you saw it without the name of the element, just by putting dot and then the name of the class, it also works. So well, that's pretty much it for this video tutorial about how to use classes. So as always, thanks all of you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one.